We all have thoughts, and sometimes really good ones. The real question is, do we act on those good thoughts, and do we even remember those good thoughts? Mark Twain said, "Life doesn't consist mainly or even largely of facts and happenings. It consists mainly of the storm of thoughts that's forever blowing through one's head." Isn't that true? Life is a storm of thoughts, mostly unacted on thoughts. Have you ever had a really great idea about how to do something better or be more efficient, and then had that same idea months or even years later? We all do. This could be anything from how to build a flying car to how to organize your closet. The problem is we think many thoughts every day and we can't remember them all. If you want to get better, you have to write it down. Ideas you have at work, goals you have for your family, plans you have for your life. Written words help us think about complex thoughts in a linear, progressive way, where we can create the steps toward a goal. Whereas the thoughts in our head just lead us in a million different directions. The best thing you can do is get a note capturing app on your phone or get a small notepad. As you write down your ideas, you can reflect back on them and actually put them into action. Hey, wait, thank you for watching. And if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you found value, make sure to let us know in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you can get notified of the next one next week. See you then.